nina ngeke ngenze lutho ngiyogcina ngakho kumbeka amabala angeke ngenze lutho ngiyogcina ngakho kumbeka amabala nina ngeke ngenze lutho ngiyogcina ngakho kumbeka amabala Ulonya kodule nathola umbili obuyale nakuNkulunkulu emazweni Ulonya kofile nathola umlayezo obuyale nakuNkulunkulu
The Empire Motivational Dialogue. The Empire Motivational Dialogue is a spiritual movement. We come together, we gather against all evil. We gather against dark forces and evil forces. We pray together. We connect spiritually together, teaching African spirituality. We got a book, serious book, called Sacred Healing by the Light. Another book is called Belief Cables Unearthed, the Earth in Question. And then we have got the book that actually interprets and explains dreams. Please join us in this African spiritual knowledge.